as 10 rolls around, I gotta be done.
Okay.
I don't know. It depends. I guess if it's a super duper good stream, I guess I might have to stay.
Okay.
But
Okay.
I don't know because I still have to change and stuff too. So
Okay. All right.
we'll see. There's just a game at 10. Should be good. I mean, kinda. It's Brazil versus Peru. Like Brazil's gonna fucking destroy us, but what if? What if? Right? What if we win?
That's correct.
That's the thing. That's the whole point. Is it would be amazing if we would win.
Yes.
So yeah, I should show support for my country.
Most definitely.
All right, let's do this. So let's take a look. But yeah, to answer your question,
I mean, I've asked a couple. Sorry.
no, it's all good.
But you can keep up.
Yeah, to answer your question, we are going to pretty much try to wrap up by 10.
Okay.
9:30, right?
Okay.
Unless it's super good stream. Hold on, I'm gonna use my button here
Okay.
that I have. Let's see. How do I use this? Begin. Error.
Oh crap.
Come on. Begin. Error. URL. It's over. Oh, I think it finished. 10 hours.
What?
Hold on. This is a, hold on a second. Capture. Okay, there we go. Audio's back. Sorry, guys. Hold on. I gotta set some stuff up. Cool. All right, we're good to go. Everything is good, y'all. We are good. So, let's see. Hold on, guys. There we go. All right, so hello everybody. Welcome to the stream. I'm gonna change the name of this stream now to Flat Earth stream or something. Yeah, I think this will be my new gimmick. This will definitely be my new gimmick. Is the Flat Earth? I'm just gonna lean into it since it got such a reaction last stream. So let me go on my Twitch channel. I'm gonna name the stream the Flat Earth stream. So currently it's Elon Musk versus Mark Zuckerberg. That's a pretty good one, but we already talked about that. Flat Earth. That's what I'm gonna name it. Boom. Cool. All right. Good to go. Or should I name it something more controversial, like the Earth is flat?
6 of 1, really.
The Earth is flat. All right, guys. I'm gonna beat. Wait, what'd you say?
I said 6 of 1.
6 of 1. What do
6
you
of
mean?
1. So it's 6 of 1, 6 of another. So it's equal. It's same.
What's equal?
It's the same. It's el mismo.
What's equal? What's the same?
The flat Earth stream or the other name you came up with.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's just whatever you want, whatever you like, whatever's catchiest.
All right, let's do this. Teacher's Guide to the Universe, measuring the Earth's curvature. Okay, this is perfect. Thanks. Because the guy last stream was saying, oh, you can't actually measure it, So, okay, there has to be a way to actually do it. It's designed, okay, around and calculate the circumference, right? Exactly. So he was playing all these word games with it's like we're talking about like it's not straight. You can't go straight across the Earth because it's curving, so it's not a straight line. All this stuff. He was just playing word games, but yeah, you have to be really specific about your words talking to these people. It is easy to do if you're in the right location. Unfortunately, in order to do this experiment, you must have a clear view of the sunset or sunrise. Interesting. The idea behind the experiment is this. If the Earth is round, then objects which travel away from you along the surface of the Earth will disappear from view at a certain distance. Right, exactly. Yeah. But what they were saying is the reason it disappears from your view is
Right.
just because the limits of your vision can't see that far. That's what they're saying. They're saying that when it disappears...
It's because you don't have the ability, visually speaking, to see that kind of distance.
Right.
But what about if you're looking through a telescope or using a satellite?
Yeah.
How does that...
A telescope or a satellite. Right, exactly.
How does that equate?
That's a really good point,
That can't.
actually.
That can't.
All right, let's do this. Let's get these flat Earth points down. Okay.
I love this. This is like proving your case.
Yeah, we're gonna write it down. Okay, so if right.
I like it.
Okay, so claim 1 is when the sun disappears from sight.
Yep.
It's just the limit of your vision. Okay, response is what about looking at the telescope?
Yep.
Right, because then you can see it drop. You can see the sun go down. Yeah, the sun
That's
goes
true.
down. Like you can see the sun going down also.
That's
right?
true.
Which means that it's rotating around the other side of the planet.
That's correct.
Sun goes down because it's on other side of the planet. I mean, it makes sense. I don't understand. The funny thing is how pissed off they get when you tell them that
I know.
the Earth is round. They get so fucking mad.
Well, you know why they get pissed off?
Why?
Because they don't have an argument with facts. It's just like the whole political stuff. They get pissed off just like the oppositional side in politics because they don't have facts to support their cause, and so they resort to name calling.
Yeah, I think that's true. Hold on a second. They resort to name calling. Exactly right.
Yeah.
Because as soon as you start debating them a little bit, they get pissed and just
Exactly.
get really mad, or I don't know. It's just so weird.
It's childish.
Oh man, dude, it's funny. Views. Yeah, there we go. 78 cents, not bad.
What's the 78 cents for?
Hold on.
Okay.
Okay, you know what?
What?
This is too much. We're good. I kind of want to... Actually, there's no one on right now, so I kind of want to use this. So hold on. Okay, guys, we're back. All right. Anyway, let's play the game. So I think that's good. I don't know. I kind of want to go on to the flat Earth guys and talk some shit.
Yeah, do it. I think it would be fun, and you've got some data to support you.
Reloading a Discord channel. With
Miss, there's something else.
Oh, shut up! I just want you to turn off.
So they're actually having a debate right now. Cast a shadow of ball into another ball and see if you can replicate what you see during a lunar eclipse. The fuck? You assume a shadow, therefore it must be different. If the Earth isn't flat, it's complete nonsense. It's unprovable. Cool story. Zero proof. Lunar eclipse are when the sun and Earth align. Right. There's clearly a round shadow. That's good.
Yes.
That's a good one, right? You can see a round shadow.
Yes, that's true.
Or you can even see like the Earth's shadow on the moon. Yeah, during an eclipse.
Absolutely.
It's round.
Well, and they probably are going to refute it and say that it's square, or it's not the right.
It's
dimensions.
a square. It's
Well,
a
I mean,
square
it's just as
shadow.
ludicrous as the flat Earth.
It's just as ludicrous, absolutely.
It's crazy.
Oh man, that's funny. Or maybe just like doing other things than frivolously. Yeah, no, that's a good point. Yeah. I mean, that was his point. His point was, right, when you see an eclipse, you can see that it's round.
That's correct. Can you turn that off? I want to recharge or hard restart of the phone. I want to turn it off and turn it back on. I can't get it to do it.
Here?
Yeah. That's that's the off button, and I can't get the fucker to work.
I'm not sure I understand.
Shit.
You're supposed to, like, hold it, right? I mean, I don't have an iPhone, so... Okay,
There's nothing playing.
How do you reboot an iPhone?
I don't know. Hey Siri, power off phone.
I'm sorry. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Oh, you bitch. Hey Siri, turn off phone.
Just to confirm.
There.
Press and quickly release the volume button. Up button.
That's it?
So...
Okay, wait, hold on. I turned it off by telling her to turn it off.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
That
I wanted to
works.
restart it. Yeah, but sometimes she listens.
Press and hold the side button when the Apple logo appears. Release the side button.
Okay,
So the up volume button.
okay, so I just did that, so that should turn it back on.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yeah, I think. I'm not really super big into it.
What do you have?
Are they still debating? I have an Android.
Okay.
So it's a little different. A little different. It's really not that bad. I could figure it out if I thought, but
Makes sense.
my brain's full of flat earth stuff.
No, I get it. Totally get it.
I'm going to become a flat earther now.
Oh, jeez, don't do that to me.
Just bow out of your failure of an argument. That's not a bad argument. I mean...
It's true.
Okay, so he said that it looks like you can see the eclipse and you can see the shadow and you can see that it's round. Okay.
Okay.
And then he said that his response to that, the flat response to that was, you assume shadow, therefore it must be different if Earth isn't flat. It's complete nonsense. Huh?
That doesn't make any sense.
He said that you're assuming the shadow is round.
Really?
It's unprovable.
I don't think that makes any sense. Does that, I mean, logically, does that make any sense? Or
I don't think it does.
I don't think it does either.
Alright, let's get into dumb shit Globers say.
Alright, do it.
I kind of want to get into their voice chat and see what it is.
Oh.
The debate voice channel.
Do you have to be invited to that? AKA, do you have to hack into it?
No, it's right there. I just have to click it. I'm just so hesitant because my brain is gonna suffer, and I don't even know if anyone's on right now.
Well, do you want to go that route then?
I don't want to lose brain cells,
No.
but it would be really funny.
Yes, it would.
I kind of want to play the game a little bit. Wait, you were saying what?
Well, it would be fun to watch, but I don't want you to have brain cell death.
My brain cells are gonna die.
Yeah, I don't want that to
I'm
happen.
listening to this dumb shit about flat Earth. It's so dumb. It's so dumb.
It is dumb. What do people in the stream, for the most part, think?
Yeah. Go ahead, stream. I don't know if anyone's on right now that we usually hang out with.
Okay,
Unfortunately,
that's okay.
it's in here.
It's not even like the weather's nice.
Yeah, it's kind of weird today.
Yes, very much so.
Weird. Let's go on. Interesting. I gotta go this way. Okay. Okay.
So, when did this game come out?
What a good question. This game came out probably like 3 or 4 years ago.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see. When did it come out? That's a good question.
So that would have been like 20?
2021.
Okay.
So that was 2 years ago.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's a newer game for sure.
Okay.
It's just interesting how different it is from the current games. Resident Evil had a new game come out this year that's supposed to be really good.
Okay.
It's just different because this is like a first-person game.
Okay.
But their other games are not first-person. The other games are third-person, which is kind of interesting how different the games have been or how they've changed it.
Okay. And this one takes place in a whole bunch of different types of terrain.
This is in Romania. Yeah.
Okay.
Like cold Romania.
Jeez.
Oh hell. Oops. Oh no. Yeah, I don't know what the hell those things were.
That's crazy.
But they're scary as hell.
No shit.
Oh no. They got me. Oh, okay, I'm dying. I need to make this. I need a weapon. I need a shotgun. I'm out of shotgun bullets. Ah, got it. Nice. With the headshot, baby. Are there any more?
Some new meaning to blowing someone's brains out.
Literally destroyed that guy. Feels good, man. I think I heard him. I think I heard him. Shit, dude. This is such a good game, honestly.
That's cool. I like the terrain and how it varies.
Aha! Oh, fuck! He impaled me with an axe.
Ooh.
This one does not want to die. Wait, what'd you say, the terrain? Yeah, we're in
Yeah.
like some snowy mountains.
I mean, these things look like the Incredible Hulk, honestly.
You're right, they really do. There we go. Blew his head off again. Yeah, they kind of look like the Incredible Hulk with the hair and the muscles, yeah.
Yep.
But they're gray. They're supposed to be werewolves, I believe.
Okay.
They're like zombie werewolves.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's an interesting combination.
It is pretty weird what they're doing. Which, fuck. Can I hit him with this? They have a bow and arrow this time? Yeah, he's dead. This game is kind of scary. Uh-oh. So there's an item up there, but I don't think I can get it. I think someone's shooting me. Who's shooting me? I hear... There he is. Alright, you bastard. Nice. Interesting. Cool.
That's crazy.
Alright, yeah, I think we're ready for some flat earth. Shut the fuck. They're so crazy. They just get mad. He's like, oh, I can't continue this debate. I have to go tend to my pet. And he was like, shut the fuck up. Like, bro, like, some people have other things to do with their lives instead of flat earth, you know?
That's true.
Oh, God. I don't want to do this. I don't want to go on flat earth.
You don't want to what?
I don't want to go on flat earth.
Well, then don't.
But let's go ahead and review some of the other stuff that you sent to me. Again, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
So, the idea behind the experiment is this. If the Earth is round, alright. Okay, if the Earth is round, then objects which travel away from you along the surface will disappear from view at a certain distance. More interesting is that they disappear from the bottom up. Think of a friend walking over a hill. If you watch her from one side of the hill, as she walks over the hill, her feet will disappear first, and her legs on the right. This is one way ancient sailors knew the earth must be rounded like a hill. They could see that the tall mass of ships long after their hulls as the boat receded. Right. Exactly. So, if it was that it's just the limits of our vision,
Yep.
then why is it that it disappears from the bottom first?
That's a good
Right.
point. But you know what it's saying, because if you were watching somebody walk off into the horizon and, you know, they start to disappear, the feet disappear, legs, and then eventually the head.
Right, the bottom disappears.
And if it were
up.
flat, that wouldn't be happening.
Yeah, if it really was just the limit of our vision, it would just all disappear when it
That's
gets
correct.
past a certain threshold.
That's absolutely correct.
Yeah. See the feet occur. But they specifically ask, like, what is the measurement technique that people use to measure the exact circumference of the Earth, if it has been measured? And I thought, okay, you know, actually that's interesting. That's something I would like to look up.
Yes. I think that there is a mathematical in the next thing. attachment. I think there's a mathematical formula.
That's really good. Okay, materials. A location where you can clearly view a sunrise or a sunset. Okay, good. Over the ocean, yeah. A friend to help you measure the height of your eyes while laying down. Okay, and while standing. A measuring tape or a meter stick, a stopwatch, pen and paper. Okay, so go to a place where you can easily see the sunset over the ocean. Okay, if viewing a sunset makes your first measurement lying down on the ground. Let me make sure everybody can see this.
See, there's a mathematical formula.
Everyone can't see it. Oh. Yes. Distance to the horizon. Calculate the circumference of the Earth using the following two equations. Distance to the horizon. To see where this equation came from. Okay. It's NASA. Nice. Okay, good. R were the radius of the Earth. R equals radius of the Earth. So, distance to the horizon.
Yep.
Is the radius 2 times the radius of the Earth times the height of your eyes.
Go a step further. That sign, the check mark with the long line, that's the square root of.
Oh, the square root
of 2 times the radius of the Earth. And if you remember geometry and go back to math, where we learned geometry, in a circle, the diameter is the entire length across the whole circle.
Mm-hmm.
In other words, it would be the entire length across the whole Earth. The radius is half of that.
Is from the center out to the crust.
You got it.
That's the radius.
That's the radius.
And the circumference is all the way across?
No, that's the diameter.
That's the diameter. Circumference is all the way around.
Correct. And there's the mathematical formula for circumference never changes. Circumference equals pi r squared. Mm-hmm. So it's 3.14 or 22 over 7, which is pi, times the radius, which is half. Squared.
Okay, see, yeah, these terms I just haven't used in so long.
I know.
But, let's see.
Because I tutor kids with math. I have to keep current on this crap.
Nice. So the diameter is the full way across, radius is halfway across, and circumference is the whole actual circle. So we're trying to get the circumference right now. Calculate the circumference, okay? So I'm not sure how this measures circumference, though. So,
well, circumference, the standard formula for that in geometry is circumference equals pi r squared. Pi times the radius squared.
Circumference is pi r squared.
Yep.
Okay. 2 times the radius. No, the radius times itself.
Yep.
Pi r squared.
Yep.
The square root.
No. Squared is
just pi r. Okay.
Yep, pi r and then squared, and when anything squared is anything times itself.
And what is pi?
3.14 or 22 over 7.
Or I guess where does it come from?
Oh, good lord! Go back to Pythagorean theorem. I think
like
that.
Why is it 3.14?
Well, we could read that. I don't remember enough to tell you. That's just what we memorized. But there was a whole theory and theorem to prove it.
We're gonna need to know pi for this.
Yes.
This is important, actually. Is the ratio of the circumference... Okay, so what is pi? Pi is the ratio of the circumference of any circle to the diameter of that circle.
Yep.
Interesting. So why is it 3.14?
So maybe ask why is pi 3.14? They had to do a mathematical proof way back when to prove that it was 3.14.
Yeah, for sure. I find that fascinating.
I do too.
Pi is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. Ratio of the circumference of the circle to its diameter, which is the cut in between.
Correct.
So if your diameter was 1 inch long, the circumference would be 3.4 inches. Interesting.
Yep.
If your diameter... Okay, so if you have a 1 inch long circle, then what?
So wait, so back up, because I want to use your example. If you have a 1 inch
diameter.
Okay.
Gotcha.
So if you have 1 inch diameter, what's your radius?
If you have a 1 inch diameter, then the whole circumference would be 3.14 inches.
Yes.
If the diameter was 1 inch.
If it's 1 inch. Now, if the diameter is 1 inch, your radius is going to be half of 1 inch.
Interesting. I like it. I like it. How did it originate? Yeah, that's what I'm curious about here. Pi is a ratio. Okay, yeah. Try a brief experiment. Use a compass, draw a circle, take one piece of a string and place it on the top of the circle exactly once around. Now straighten out the string. Its length is called the circumference of the circle. Okay. Pi is most commonly used in certain computations regarding circles. Pi not only relates circumference and diameter, amazingly, it also connects the diameter of radius of a circle with the area of that circle by the formula. Interesting. The area is equal to pi times the radius squared. Right, that's what you said. Pi r squared.
Yep.
That's the area?
Area equals pi r squared.
Okay. And what is circumference? This shows pi shows up.
Circumference is pi times diameter.
2 times r, I think, or something.
Yeah, let's look it up just to make sure.
What is it?
Formula for circumference. Circumference formula.
Okay, yeah, we need all this stuff. It's gonna be important for this. Gosh, I haven't done this much math. All right, it's 2 pi r, and then the area is pi r squared. You move the 2 over up here.
Correct.
Interesting. Okay, yeah. This is all coming back to me, man. I haven't done this since high school.
That's okay. It's just like riding a bike. You remember it.
I like it though.
Mm-hmm.
So okay, great. Thank you. This is good. So that helps me a lot.
Now, what are we gonna do with it?
Well, I just need to know this, right? So the way that you measure the circumference is 2 pi r.
Right.
Because we're not even talking about the area of the planet yet. We're not even there. Okay.
Yep.
First step is the circumference of the planet.
Correct.
Because if it has a circumference, then it's not flat.
Correct. Yes, absolutely. Excellent point.
Right.
Yeah.
So if we can prove a circumference, it's over.
That's right. You know what we're basically doing here? We're doing a geometry proof.
Yeah.
You realize that, right?
What do you mean?
So I fucking hated geometry.
Yeah.
We're doing a geometry proof to try to prove that the Earth, a sphere, is round.
Mm-hmm.
So we're trying to formulate an argument, mathematically speaking, to prove that the Earth is round, a la it's not flat.
Of course. But just a radius and just a diameter doesn't prove that the Earth is round. Because it's a straight line.
That's correct.
They're both straight lines. And that's what they're saying. They're saying that it's a flat, straight line.
Yep.
So I can't just use radius. I can't just use diameter. I need to show circumference.
Yep.
So that's, I guess, what I'm trying to figure out, calculate the circumference of the Earth using the following 2 equations. So you get distance, right?
Yes.
Where r is the radius of the Earth. Height 1 and height 2 are the height of your eyes. S is the number of seconds between sunsets. S capital is number of seconds in one day. This equation is a proportion that assumes the Earth rotates once every 24 hours, so the difference between distances in the horizon over the whole circumference is equal to the ratio of time between your measurements and the whole day. Okay. For example, if you measured 6 seconds in between the sunset when you were laying down with your eyes at a height of 10 centimeters off the ground when you were... Okay. Interesting. Let's check the next one out.
Okay.
So you also got one here from Stack Exchange,
Yeah.
which is a great website. How to calculate the curvature of Earth. Yeah, this is good. It's exactly. Okay. I was watching a video regarding flat earthers. Exactly. Exactly. This is why. This is why this subject even comes up, because they're so voraciously against the simple idea that the Earth is round, bro. I was watching a video regarding flat earthers giving curvatures of the Earth that sounded way too big, so I decided to calculate how much the surface of the Earth would drop with respect to a line perpendicular to the ground per a certain distance from this point. Okay, so he calculated himself. Pretty cool. That's a really fucked up circle.
Yes, it is.
I hope the Earth is not actually shaped like this.
No, because it looks like it looks like a misshapen dog turd.
I'll use variables in my awfully drawn diagram. Okay, I'm glad you drew attention to that, how bad it was drawn. Given the radius of Earth is 6,371 kilometers.
Right.
Really? That's cool.
Yep.
See, I didn't know all this stuff.
I didn't either.
It's good to know.
This is a learning.
It's a nice little trivia.
That's right.
Given that the radius of the Earth is 6,371 kilometers, we can find what that...
So this is calculus.
Wow.
You can find that weird thing that means cosine.
Fuck. Oh, man.
I fucking hate
It's
calculus.
trig, isn't this?
Yes, it's trig and calculus.
Damn, bro. You gotta do trig to calculate the surface of the Earth.
Yes. So that's cosine.
Oh, man. Okay. Yeah, I haven't done this since high school, but, I mean, hey. If I push, I can do it.
Yeah.
I'm not bad if I try.
No, and you've got the formula right there. So it's walking you through it, really.
Okay, but I don't know what these letters even
Okay,
stand for.
so
The curvature.
S is sine, like sine and cosine.
Mm-hmm.
So it's the sine over the radius.
The curvature, he's saying, is 0.07 miles over kilometers.
Correct.
That's really interesting.
Yep.
So he did his own calculation.
Yep, and I have a here. See that note that says edit?
Yeah.
There's a point in that sentence that proves that the flat earthers are wrong.
Okay.
Read it out loud. Read where it says edit. Read with all that.
Note that the formula is not linear.
Stop there. What does linear mean?
Oh, a straight line.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. In order to get the fall of Earth for 2 kilometers, multiplying the result by 2 is not enough. Okay, yeah. So he got a curvature of 0.07.
7. Mm-hmm.
But I'm having a tough time
With which part?
kind of visualizing what miles over kilometers is. They're both two separate.
Well, they're both distances. So what I'm thinking it is, based on what we've read so far in this formula, it's... Do you remember... This was algebra. Do you remember slope y equals mx plus b?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my, what was that? Was thunder.
Yeah, wow.
Shoot.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't know it was going to rain.
It was clear today.
I know.
It's not even raining. It was just thunder with no rain.
That's crazy.
I mean, maybe it might start raining. That's weird.
That is very weird.
It's not raining though.
That's nuts.
What the hell?
So, okay, so what, okay.
Should I make us drinks? Wait, go ahead.
Okay, yeah, what do you have?
This.
Okay, that's fine. That's good. Yeah, you want me to help? You need any help?
Nah. Wait, you were saying? Actually, let's just continue this conversation.
Okay. well, okay. So, all right, so the part that you were confused about, the miles over kilometers. Go back to slope. Y equals mx plus b, rise over run. Rise is how many graphing points on the graph paper that you go up. Run is how many you go over to the right or to the left.
Okay. Yeah.
Did you remember that?
Yeah.
Okay, can you visualize that?
I can visualize what? You're talking about the formula to what?
To
specifically?
slope, which
Slope.
is, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
That's fine.
so it's similar to that. Meters, is it miles or meters?
That's the thing. Is it
It
meters
is-
or miles?
I don't know. Did they not tell us?
I'm asking him to. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out exactly
I
what
would
his
say
letters are.
in standard mathematical stuff, m is usually a meter. And it's over a km, which is a kilometer. So I would say that it's meters over kilometers.
Okay, yeah, let's use the same
Vocabulary.
vocabulary
Yep.
instead of trying to use miles and mix it with kilometers, which are two different types
Correct.
of measurements.
But the whole example with slope, why I was making that point, was because you've got the rise over run. It's similar to this, where you've got meters over kilometers.
Right. You can't just use meters
Mm-hmm.
alone. Because why? Because
Because you're looking at something that's a sphere. It's round.
right.
So there's no straight line.
Okay. Measurement of a slope. Yeah, you have a good point there. Okay, thanks. Actually, that's extremely helpful.
Does that make sense?
It does.
Okay.
It is the same as that. The angle, and so how are slopes measured? Expressed as a percent. Right, right. Because it is like a percent.
Mm-hmm. Becomes a decimal. You do division.
Right, it goes from 0 to 1.
Yep.
Where 0 is a straight line, or like 1 is a straight line or
Yep.
something.
Yep. You got it.
And because it's a percent, that's why when he measured 0.07, it'll never be completely 1, or it can't go past 1 or 0.
Right.
Any answer to this will be between 1 and 0.
Yep.
Okay, I get it.
Does that make sense?
Yeah,
Is that easier to visualize?
it is.
Okay.
I get it now. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. You're right. Right. Because we're measuring curvature, it's done in a ratio, meters over kilometers,
Yep.
or with slope. What is it? With slope.
Y equals that mx plus b.
Yeah, and what is slope,
Slope-
measured in?
Slope is
Measurement unit.
yeah, slope is the curvature of a line, I believe. When you're talking about lines in math.
Yes. YX. Ooh, is the food here?
I don't know.
Your Grubhub driver will arrive with your order soon. I'm definitely gonna need some food before I jump in here.
Yeah,
with
yeah,
the,
I agree
with
because
the
it
flat
does.
Earth.
Yeah, because it does get complex.
Oh, yeah, and I'm gonna need a full stomach to get in on this
I'm
bullshit.
totally agreeing with that. But this is cool, isn't it?
This is good. Yeah, I haven't done math in so long.
I know, but isn't this cool to try to prove the flat earthers wrong?
I like it. It is helping my brain.
That's good.
Hey guys,
Oh.
no bar.
Aw, shit, and they were doing so well. Oh my gosh. Damn. Did you get the food?
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
I'm glad he rang the doorbell because otherwise the
You-
pizza
it's
would have
be
gotten.
wet.
You want some?
Yes.
Are you
can,
hungry?
Yeah, can I have some?
Yeah, sure. Let's get some plates and stuff.
Where should we put it?
Probably over here somewhere.
Alright. Do you want me to go get plates?
I got it.
Okay,
I
you
don't
sure?
think there's anyone in chat right now anyway, so
Okay, so we are okay.
we can take it pretty easy, pretty
Easy?
slow.
Alright, cool. Cool.
Yeah. Yeah, we can take time to eat right now.
Alright, excellent. Thank you.
Cause I usually feel bad about eating.
Yeah.
You know, on the stream.
Yes.
I don't want people hearing me chew. And
I'm the
stuff.
same way. And you know, some people have I don't remember what it's called, I have to look it up, but they have a thing about listening to somebody chew.
Yeah, that's a thing
Yeah.
where people will watch you eat.
Yes, yes.
That's a really funny topic of discussion. Actually, I'm glad you brought it up. There's whole genres of video where it's just people eating.
Do you have that issue when people eat that the sound of it is sort of annoying to you?
Yeah,
You do?
it's gross.
Does
I
it-
mean, not really if we're in the same room eating together,
Okay.
but when your mouth is like really close to the camera,
Oh gosh, yes.
then it sucks.
No, but I'm talking about like just having food.
Testing. Okay. Go ahead. Sorry.
No, it's okay. You want to move it back over there so you can sit down?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
This
No,
is
I'm-
a big pizza. Anyway, go ahead.
It's huge.
Mhm.
It's good too.
It is good.
If somebody's chewing, does the noise of them chewing next to you, if they're eating next to you, bother you?
No.
Okay.
I guess if I'm not eating, it becomes weird.
Okay. That makes sense. That makes perfect sense. That's good. They're really good.
No.
Mm.
Yeah, Johnny's Pizza, dude.
That's so good. Have you had it before?
Yeah.
They're really, really good. And pizzas are
Do you like
huge.
it?
Love it. It's fantastic. And what is this, meat lovers?
Yeah.
So what, hamburger, sausage, pepperoni?
Looks like pepperoni. I'm not
Ham?
really sure, honestly.
So it's good. It's super good. Yum.
Sure. What's in it? Bacon.
Oh, I didn't think about that.
Some ground beef.
Uh-huh.
Pepperoni. Ham.
Sausage?
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Yeah, you do a good job.
Holy crap. Yum, yum,
I
yum.
like Johnny's Pizza. I needed that. I really haven't eaten today.
How come?
I've been playing Final Fantasy VII.
Okay.
It's like one of the greatest games of all time.
Really?
Top 10 best games ever made of all time.
What makes it that?
The storyline, the music, the characters,
Okay.
the writing.
So you've been ensconced in a game.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And do you get so distracted that you forget to eat?
Yeah.
What?
Plus, I was kind of hungover when I woke up, so I had to drink a lot of water.
Okay.
I've just been hydrating and drinking water all day.
Okay. How hungover?
Eh, not that bad. Not so bad that I was throwing up.
Okay, that's good. That is good.
It's pretty good, yeah. But, alright, let's take a look at some more of this stuff. But yeah, no, this is all coming together.
Is it reminding you of high school math at least?
Yeah.
Okay.
Funny, dude.
Because that's essentially what it is.
Yeah, it's not that hard.
Mm-mm.
I just haven't done it in a while.
Mm-hmm. So you forget it.
Mm-hmm.
But it's like riding a bike, it comes back.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay. So the curvature is measured in that ratio
Mm-hmm.
of miles to, or meters to kilometers.
Yep.
That's why we're using 2 units of measurements divided by each other.
Correct.
Okay. I'm good at it.
This is so good.
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead and grab another if you want.
I'm okay right this minute. Thank you. I may do that. But so with what we've looked at so far, does that now make some sense?
Absolutely.
Okay.
What is the curvature of the Earth? The Earth's meridional radius of curvature.
Meridional.
God damn, dude.
Okay, so like the diurnal and the nocturnal rhythms, like the diurnal is during the day,
Mm-hmm.
nocturnal is at night, and they affect honestly all kinds of things: the sun rising, setting, the moon. All of that is because of the Earth is not flat and round and rotates
Yeah.
on its axis. It also plays a role in the oceans
Mm-hmm.
and the tide and all of that.
Mm-hmm.
But that's what that word refers to.
The Earth's prime vertical radius of curvature at the equator equals the equatorial radius.
Equator.
Equatorial.
Think equatorial. Think equator.
Mm-hmm.
The imaginary line that cuts the Earth in half
Mm-hmm.
horizontally.
Yeah, you're good at this.
Only because I think I was so bad at it when I was a kid.
Yeah.
So when it finally stuck, it stuck.
It might be true. I was pretty good at it as a kid.
Were you?
Yeah, so I just didn't do anything with it, you know.
Yeah, you didn't have to work because it came
I
probably
didn't
pretty.
work, yeah.
It came pretty easy.
It really did. It really did come super easy for me. Right, so I didn't think about it much because I just finished it and never looked at it again.
Well, that makes sense.
There.
I'm wondering, what the hell are you doing?
Making room for the pizza.
Okay.
So, pretty good.
Holy crap, it's good.
It's good pizza, man. Johnny's, bro.
Beats the shit out of Domino's.
They're awesome. It does beat the shit out of Domino's. It tastes like cardboard sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what is the curvature of the Earth? And how do you calculate it? Suppose the Earth is a sphere. Okay, just tell me the curve, bro. The Earth's curvature calculator lets you find the distance from you to the horizon, as well as the height of an object. Interesting. Ample evidence that the Earth is round and rotating. Claim Earth isn't curved and doesn't rotate. Claimed by social media. fuck, dude.
Wow.
So funny. It's on USA Today.
Uh-huh.
Flat Earthers are on USA Today.
Mm-hmm.
Fact check. Ample evidence the Earth is round and rotating, contrary to persistent social media claims. Yeah, they are so persistent.
They're terrible.
It's so funny. My first exposure to Flat Earth was on Facebook. They have a whole group.
Okay.
And they are just on there all day, constantly posting stuff.
Oh my god.
It's funny how these people exist, and there's quite a bit of them, and they're so persistent. Actually, it's like the same guys that are just posting over and over.
Do you know what it's reminding me of?
What?
What was that fucking douchebag who we used to make fun of on here?
Gorgeous George.
Yes.
Yes.
It reminds me of that. It's like each of these little things has a following of people that are diehards in terms of what they believe or are passionate about.
Wait, who is passionate? Who believes?
Well, like you've got a following for Gorgeous George.
Yeah.
You've got a following for fucking
Flat Earth.
Flat Earth.
You mean there's a following for everything?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. And
Yeah.
and it's a bunch of numbnuts who can't form their own opinion.
Yeah, you're correct. On the internet, pretty much everything has an audience.
That's crazy.
Because, how do I explain it? You know, on the internet, it's like, you can just shut off and view it on your own without any criticisms, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you were in high school in a classroom and you raised your hand and you told your teacher the earth is flat, right? Other kids would laugh at you, your teacher would tell you no, show you what is the correct thing, right?
Correct.
But none of that happens online.
Why not?
You're by yourself on your phone, right?
Okay.
So no one is there to tell you, ridicule you.
Or tell you you're wrong.
Or tell you you're wrong.
Okay.
So you just lead yourself into this rabbit hole
Okay.
of self assurance of what you believe is correct.
Okay.
And there's no one to tell you otherwise. You have no...
Wow.
Like, in real life, when you're actually hanging out and talking to people,
Yeah.
people would be like, wait, huh? No, the earth is
No.
round. What are you talking about?
That's correct. And they would have a...
And then you'd be like, oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, true.
Well,
You have a what?
you would... And that's where I think you would either have a debate or
Mhm.
you would have basically haters trying to... Can I have another one?
Mm-hmm.
Haters trying to... I can get it myself if you want so you can eat. Haters trying to prove you wrong because either they're jealous or they are stupid.
Who's a hater? The flat earth people?
Well, yeah. I mean, because if you get into a debate with them, like last week,
Mm-hmm.
or look at any of their groups,
Mm-hmm.
it's very much like the whole political thing, where they don't have the evidence to back up their point, mathematically speaking,
Mm-hmm.
and so they
No.
did it fall?
No.
Okay. They resort to not name calling in this instant, but just like checking out. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I get it.
I mean, like, you know, like last week, we had all these people who wanted to prove, thank you, because
I got
I'm
it.
not coordinated, wanted to prove their point.
Yeah.
And, I mean, we did our homework. We have some shit here to share. And they don't want to talk about it.
The funny thing is one of them did get my
Just
stream.
now?
No. Last week,
Okay.
we had one of the guys show up on the stream and it was really funny.
You want me to get you some?
I'm good.
You sure? I could have gotten that.
That's fine. I like to get things on my own, you know?
Okay.
I hate asking for help.
I kind of realized that.
But yeah. So anyway, in real life, if you start espousing these weird thoughts,
Right.
and that's why I think it's so important to get out and do things in real life.
Yeah.
I think the internet is bad. I think it's useful, but in spite of itself. I think that it's bad, the kind of culture it promotes. But, you know, it's like a necessary evil, is what I'm
Absolutely.
trying to say.
And because it's not regulated,
Yeah.
anybody can post anything.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, I think the internet is bad because you can do this flat earth shit where
Yep.
you just don't listen to anybody. You don't have to listen to anybody,
Right.
right? Because like I told you in real life, if you are off of the internet and hanging out with real life people in real scenarios, not on Discord in a flat earth server with
Or not hiding
with people.
behind your digital screen.
hiding behind your digital screen where you don't have to work out, you can be a fat gross slob,
Yep.
right? You don't have to learn manners, you don't have to learn any of this stuff.
Nope.
You don't have to learn, period.
You don't
So
know.
that's why you can just be a flat earther because you have never learned.
What are you thinking?
But that is good pizza.
That was excellent pizza. Excellent.
So yeah, like this flat earth shit, or like what you said, where there's a cult following around everything now.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's because if someone like Gorgeous George was in high school or anywhere in public, like people would be like, who is this guy? Why is he such a dick?
That's true.
But anyway, the better example is flat earth. So if you were in public at the family dinner table talking about flat earth,
Right.
you know, your uncle's gonna start making fun of you or something, you know,
That's true.
and your dad's gonna be like, hold on, you know, let's talk about this, right?
Yep.
And you can have actual exchange of ideas,
Correct.
of different ideas.
Yes.
You have to listen to different ideas in real life.
Mhm.
But online, when you're researching stuff up, you don't have to listen. You don't have to be open-minded or listen to other people's ideas at all,
Right.
because there is no discussion. You're just typing, "The Earth is flat," proof, right? Or fake NASA quote.
Correct.
So that there's no like critical thought. There's no external impetus for having to maybe doubt what you think.
And there's no discourse
There's no discourse. Yeah.
because basically you're having a relationship with your screen.
Right. And then you're lonely because you're just looking at a screen all day. So what do? You join the Discord for Flat Earth. And what's there? It's not anybody who's challenging you. It's just people who already agree with you.
Yes. Yeah. Excellent point.
So that whole process is why there's like a group for everything now. Because you don't have to listen to what other people... People don't hang out in real life anymore. We're just fucked up.
I love hanging out in real life. It's the only thing that feeds me.
It's way better.
Love it.
I mean, the internet's fine. This is fine. Even, watching my channel is fine. Once a week. But not every day, all the time.
It's too much of one thing is not good for anybody.
But yeah. That's the really fucked up thing about culture nowadays.
Excellent point.
Is everyone is online and not hanging out in real life.
Nope, they don't interact.
Gosh, it's so good.
It's delicious. And that whole concept of everybody being online and not hanging out in real life is why, in my opinion, people have lost the ability to have social skills, to hold conversations, to actually interact. They've become introverted hermits.
Agree.
Okay. Not me. I don't think you're in that category.
No, I don't. I try to avoid the internet as much as possible. Because it's so addicting. Also, like the instant gratification, the dopamine you get from someone liking your comment. It's so instantaneous.
That's true.
It's addictive. You got to like on your picture, so you want to post more pictures. It's like a cycle,
Go a step further. That becomes an addiction.
Huh?
I said go a step further. That then becomes an addiction.
Yeah. I think that's an addiction.
Yep, I do too.
Yeah. All right. I'm
So
good now.
good. You mean I ate the same amount as you?
I only need 2.
That was so good.
That was delicious. Yeah, sorry, I'm chewing. I hate chewing on the microphone, but no one's in chat, so I think we're fine.
Should be okay.
But yeah, Matt was telling me, Matt RVG, the one who gets on the channel sometimes.
Yep.
He was telling me how integrated even high school is now to how integrated high school is what's the word I'm looking for? Social media, Instagram, particularly.
Really?
Yeah. He was like, in high school, if you're not on Instagram, then you don't know the cool things that everyone's talking about.
Oh, really?
And you're just kind of outside of the loop. Because, when you're in high school, when you're in high school particularly, to a lesser extent in college as well, in high school you kind of listen to what everybody else listens to, if music-wise.
To fit in and whatnot?
You fit in, you want to fit in. So when other people are talking about, oh, rock and roll, I like rock, or I like rap, or I like this artist, you are also going to listen to that artist. That's how it was when I was in high school. Okay. You're hanging out with people. But now you don't know what people are listening to.
Okay.
Unless you're on Instagram.
Oh, it's terrible.
It's like, oh, did you read my post,
So they don't congregate around the lockers and walk around and socialize around the school before school starts like we used to?
I think you're right. I didn't think about all that, but yes. I think that's what's going on here. Right.
Well, no wonder they're all fucked up.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right, exactly. They just kind of are, instead of congregating around lockers before school, they're just on their phones pretty much, posting stuff instead of saying it.
No wonder nobody knows how to socialize.
Right, exactly. I agree. Yeah, it's such a superior form to just be hanging out around the lockers, maybe cutting class, right?
So true.
It was fun.
And it was a big social thing.
Definitely.
It was huge.
What's going on here? There's no monsters here, really?
No, it doesn't know there's anything there.
Ah, that was good food. Thank
Oh,
you, God.
excellent.
Thank you, Johnny's Pizza. Boom, baby! Take that, you bastards. Reload! Holy shit, dude. Uh-oh.
Now, where are you? Is it like a...
I'm in a castle.
Castle?
Yeah,
Okay.
it looks like some kind of castle.
Me too.
Oh!
Oh, shoot.
Cool, got him. But yeah, I don't know. That's all really concerning to me. It's just interesting you mentioned that because that's happening with Matt. He was telling me,
Okay.
people are just online instead of actually congregating and hanging out and telling each other things like, "Oh, I love this. I love this artist. I love this music."
How do I get this door?
That's crazy.
Instead, they'll be like, "Listen to this artist that I like," like that. So, Matt is like us, or like me at least, where he's very anti social media.
Right.
But he says that leads to issues though, because then you're out of the loop. Because people don't really talk; they just expect you to read their profile.
Oh, it's so terrible.
I agree, it's bad.
I wouldn't function. I would not be able to function in that world.
It's weird because it's like, why not just tell people?
Yes.
Like, don't you want to talk about these things? Like, what else? That is a fun thing to talk about. Like, oh, did you listen to this music? I love this song.
Well, and that leads to conversation, and so that's why I call it the art of conversation. But the kids who are just looking at posts on social media, all they're getting is information. They're not having communication back.
You're not communicating. Oh my god.
What the hell was that?
Holy shit.
That's like thousands.
Headshot. Oh god! He snuck up on me. Oh no! Oh, I'm gonna die. Run! Reload! Ah!
Oh crap!
Holy shit! Okay, I'm okay. I should make some shotgun shells. I need a shotgun right now.
What the hell was it?
Oh my god.
What the hell was that?
It was some kind of ointment or whatever. Boom! That's what I need. Yeah, that's what I need right there. That's exactly what I needed. Oh, reload!
Crap.
Oh my gosh. I think one of them's still alive. The music's still going.
So where would it be?
He's hiding.
He's probably gonna jump out and scare the shit out of us.
I know, right?
Yes. Have a fucking heart attack.
Fuck. Okay. I don't see him. Maybe we're safe. Oh, no, I heard him.
I heard something too. What's that thing over there on the right? There's something that
That?
moved. Yeah, what was that?
Over there?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't see it.
It looked like it was
He's
behind.
hiding.
Yeah, it looked like it was behind that barrel.
Fuck.
I hate shit like this.
It is scary, though. I love scary games. They're my favorite. Oh my god. I don't see him. That was so many of them.
How many died?
There was at least like 10 or something like that. Where is he? I know there's one out there, but you know what? I'm just gonna leave. Uh-huh. I can break this. Hurry up. Okay. I don't see him.
They're all those they're either birds or they're vultures. I don't know what they are.
I hear him like hissing and stuff, but
Yep.
I'm just gonna leave. That was good. I like that. Yum. Alright, now I'm fed. Now I can debate.
Yeah, well, I mean, that's a big part of it. You gotta have your brain in there.
Definitely, yeah. I can't do smart stuff on an empty stomach. Or that if it's that empty. Yeah. It is, and it's a lot. It's surprisingly a lot of math. I mean, it's so nonsensical, and it sounds stupid.
It doesn't sound stupid at all.
I mean, like flat Earth, like the idea.
Oh, yeah.
Like the idea of flat Earth sounds stupid.
It does.
But then when you actually engage it and try to prove it, it's actually like a lot of work.
Yeah. Well, look at all those formulas and all that math.
It's
that
a
we
lot
just
of
looked
math,
at.
yeah. And I guess that makes sense why people believe in flat Earth, because they can't do all the math.
Well, absolutely. It's the easier of the two routes.
Right, instead of doing math, instead of doing actual math, you just give up and say the Earth is flat.
Yep. And, those are the people who don't have drive, don't have ambition, don't have capabilities, maybe.
Yeah, they can't.
Can't do it. They just cannot fucking do it.
This must be their den.
It's a zombie den. No wonder there's so many of them.
Oh my gosh.
Gosh, I hope no bullets. Fuck.
Oh, hell.
Alright, shotgun on. There's so many. Do I have a bomb? I need to use a bomb.
Yeah, you do.
Here you go. Okay, what else do I have? Sniper rifle. I have a lot of sniper ammo,
Yeah, you
but
do. Look at all that.
but I don't really. They're too close to use a sniper. Oh, really?
Oh, that's right.
There we go. Blew that off. Oh no, there's more! He's got me! He came out of nowhere! Oh no! Holy shit, they're all surrounding me! Oh no. Alright, time to jump. Ooh. Come here.
Did you jump?
Yeah, yeah. Take that.
You need like a grenade or something.
Yeah, I need explosives. Oh shit! Alright, yeah, I need a bomb. Eat this, you punks. Okay, they're stepping in the box.
Okay, good.
I'm gonna use my sniper. Oh god! Oh! I missed. There we go, I got him in the head.
Wow.
Alright. That was a lot, dude.
It's crazy.
I wonder if I'm getting to the end of this game.
That seems like, honestly,
Oh! Seems like what?
like 30 or 40 or just a huge amount.
The number of monsters?
Yeah.
Hurry up and reload. I got him in the arm. There's still more. Maybe they don't stop coming. I think they don't stop coming. Oh shit, I gotta get the hell out of here. Oh!
Crap.
I'm so dead. This part's hard, dude.
I wonder if you blew up, if it's too explosive, blow up the entire den. I mean, would you get them?
Yeah, I think I have to figure out some permanent solution to this. Go, 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 go. Alright, I gotta hurry up. They keep coming.
Crap.
Oops. Okay. I have some time to think. Okay. That was crazy. I need bullet. I need to reload my gun. Alright.
How do you get other weapons?
You find them.
Okay.
Like this shotgun was in somebody's house.
Okay.
The owner of the house probably dead.
Okay.
Yeah, so you find it, pretty much. Ooh, zip line, let's get out of here. See ya! Ah!
Shoot. Look at that.
Ha!
Damn.
Run! Oh, oh. Holy. Oh, let's get out of here. I'm sure they don't stop coming.
Okay, big guy.
Oh no!
The more you kill, the more that they appear.
Okay, take this. Oh, am I dead?
Oh, gross.
I'm dead. Oh, he's eating me!
Gross.
Wow, that was hard. Change difficulty. Enemies will be slightly weaker. Huh?
So what change difficulty? What does that mean? It's going to be harder or
Easier.
easier? Okay.
Nah, I want to do it again. This time, I didn't know that they infinitely spawned like that.
That's crazy.
I thought, because usually you can kill
Mm-hmm.
all of them,
Mm-hmm.
and then the room is clear. There's no danger.
So they don't keep coming. They don't keep multiplying.
And this one, they keep coming, and there's constant danger.
Shoot.
That's crazy. Okay, because this is their den, I guess. This is like where they live.
And that would make sense.
So I just gotta blow through them.
Okay.
This must be their den.
And in this part, you made it easier. You changed the level.
No, I didn't. Oof. They just keep coming, bro. So far, so good.
Okay, big guy.
Here goes nothing.
Yep.
Nice. Alright, I need shotgun ammo. Oh no. Oh man.
Crap.
Alright, how do I open this door? Alright, let's get the hell out of here, please.
Shoot it.
Can they not? Oh, they're coming to the door. Okay. Is it over? Nice. I think it's over
How would you know for sure?
by looking through this door, but I'm kind of scared to look through the door.
I know.
Okay. That was crazy.
Damn.
Nice. Alright, we're good. That was fun. What a good game. This is a good game.
It is a good game.
It keeps the danger going.
Uh-huh, and it's suspenseful.
It is. You know, that was some good pizza. Okay. Yeah, that was some serious suspense. I love that.
I like that too.
Yeah, this game is full of really good parts like that.
What level are you on? Or does it not have levels?
So I think I told you last time that, ooh, what the hell, there's so many of them. And they're eating people?
Yeah.
They're like harvesting human bodies.
This is disgusting.
They got human bodies hanging on ropes and they're just...
Ugh.
Yeah, I think I told you the premise last time where they kidnapped my daughter and for their cult.
Yes.
And they're like, they cut her up into pieces. The king's orders finally arrived. Withdraw. It must be vexing. It is most vexing that we must abandon the border stronghold to those heretics. If I had but a little more time, I know I might be able to turn the tides of the battle. Nay, I should not put on airs. It is my curiosity that ties me to this place. There are a number of ruins in the vicinity, which the locals say are very ancient. The ceremony site with 4 giant statues. The cave with murals carved on the walls. The stone plinth they call the giant's chalice. Where did the people who built them come from? Where did they go? It irks me that we must abandon this place without knowing. Damn, bro. Is he still alive? I hope we made it out of this place. Whoever wrote that,
I know.
I hope you're alive.
That's crazy.
Yeah. So I have a grenade launcher,
Okay.
but I don't know how to switch the bullets for it. Oh, there we go. That's how. Right. Okay, I got it now, but I don't need it yet. I that would have been very helpful earlier when I was surrounded.
True. That's a good point.
But yeah, so let's continue to look at, now that I have brain food, I have fuel. Okay. Rotation isn't felt because speed is constant. Most scientists estimate the Earth to be rotating at 1,000 miles per hour. Okay. Right, that's why he said he said that's fake. The flat earther said that we can't be spinning at 1,000 miles per hour because we would fall off. Proof of this includes Coriolis force. The force explains why planes cannot simply travel in a straight line to their destination. Right, because it's not really a straight line. They're going around the planet.
That's correct.
Coriolis force, but instead must fly along a curved route. Yes, it's
Okay.
curved.
Okay.
Because the Earth rotates so rapidly, flying in a straight line would result in the plane ending up in the wrong location. The Earth is always moving, so pilots must account for how much their destination will have rotated since the start of the flight.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Yeah, that's true. I guess a pilot would know intimately this.
Yep, and that makes sense.
This effect also impacts hurricanes, which swirl counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Huh. Said Jason Steffen, a mathematician and physicist at the University of Nevada. If the Earth were on a flat plane, this mirroring across the equator would not occur, he said. The rotation around the Earth's axis and subsequent Coriolis forces cause these differences to occur. Interesting. Yeah, the USA Today has an article on this. Pretty good.
I thought that was pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm glad they do. The motion can't be felt because is the evidence that it's flat. Right, they said that you can't feel a rotation.
Mm-hmm.
But isn't that what the wind is?
What? The rotation?
Yeah.
No, I think the wind is, and we can look this up too. I think the wind is a product of the jet stream.
Mm-hmm.
That is something that causes weather, which
Right.
is why, like, if you look at storms, if they go from west to east, if they're coming from the west coast, California, all the way to the east coast, where there's North Carolina, Virginia, etc.
Yeah.
That's all a product of the jet stream.
Right.
I think.
People don't feel motion; they feel changes in motion. Right.
True.
If you're on the freeway moving at 70 miles per hour, you don't feel that motion.
Yep.
Right. At all, but slam on the brake, and you'll definitely feel the change.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. NC State. Oh, nice. I got North Carolina in here now. When we drive down the street in a straight line at a constant speed, what we feel is the bumps in the road, he said. Without the bumps, we would not feel the motion at all unless the car accelerates.
Mm-hmm.
It's the same reason why people don't feel like they're moving in a plane, right? You don't feel like you're moving in an airplane.
Mm-mm.
Does that mean it's also stationary? The initial argument doesn't hold any water.
Does that make sense?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think so too. I think it's a really good example, really good explanation.
Flat Earth claims are built around the observation that the horizon appears flat from a given vantage point. This assertion ignores numerous examples of photographic evidence, that has the curve, right?
Yep.
But experts also note that the Earth is so large that people can't directly observe the curve from the surface. The curve only becomes visible from a vantage point that is at least 40 miles above Earth's surface, okay? So you have to be like on a mountain, okay? You have to be about 1% or so higher than the radius of the surface of the Earth to see the curve. The radius.
Read that again?
You have to be about 1% or so higher than the radius of the surface of the Earth to see the curve.
Okay.
He said 40 miles is the 1%, huh?
Which is why, if you go back to any of those National Geographic or NASA things that you see from outer space, where it's looking down at Earth, you can see that Earth is curved.
When you're up 40 miles.
Yep.
40 miles is 1% of the curvature of the radius of the Earth. 40 miles is 1% of the curvature of the radius.
So if you were to write that out mathematically to get rid of all the words and all the clutter in there, 1% of in English and math means times.
Okay.
So it'd be 40 miles is, the is equals, so 40 miles equals 1% or 0.01.
1%.
Or 0.01 if you make it into a decimal.
Yeah.
Of the curvature times the curvature of the radius times the radius.
Times the curvature
times the curvature times the radius.
Okay.
Of the Earth.
Times the curvature times the radius.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You want me to write it out?
No, I got it.
Okay.
40 miles equals 1% of 1% times the curve times the radius.
Yep.
Yeah. Interesting. Most people will not reach this altitude, however. Those who have gone beyond this altitude have been able to provide photographic evidence of the curve. Yeah, how high is that? Gosh, it's so high.
I don't know.
40 miles up?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It is.
Among other evidence, the North Star Polaris would always be visible if the Earth was a level plane. However, people in the southern hemisphere cannot see the star at all. Watching Polaris shift positions across the sky was one of the ways the ancient Greeks first calculated circumference. By watching Polaris, the North Star. Oh, I see. It's only visible to the people in the top part because the Earth is spinning.
Correct.
What? What direction is this? Horizontally?
That is counter.
But it's not spinning like
No.
vertically.
No, horizontally. Correct.
It's spinning horizontally.
Correct.
So then, if you're on the top of the Earth, you'll be able to see the North Star.
Correct.
But if you're on the bottom, you can't see the North Star.
And if you're on the bottom, you're down there where Antarctica is.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really good,
Isn't
actually.
that cool?
Yeah, you can't see the North Star if you're in the southern hemisphere.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, interesting. Our rating false. Based on our research, we rate false the claim that the Earth isn't curved and does not rotate. The Earth is both, and there are several ways scientists have proved this. Experts say the curvature of the Earth can be seen from an elevated vantage point, and the rotation of the Earth also impacts daily functions like the route planes fly. It just can't be felt because humans feel acceleration, not speed.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good article.
Wasn't that good?
It's a great article.
I thought so too, and it breaks it down so it's fairly simple,
It's great, yeah.
unlike some of those mathematical formulas.
It's really good. The North Star, you can't see it in the southern hemisphere
Mhm.
because you're under.
That's correct.
Because-
That's correct. It makes perfect sense, right?
You know? Because it's a ball, bro.
Yeah.
It's a fucking ball, dude.
That's right. It's a sphere.
Alright, I think I'm ready to debate now.
Okay.
Curvature of the Earth.
Do you want more food?
Kinda.
Okay.
I don't know. I mean, I should be eating less, you know?
But eat more if you're gonna eat more. I'm gonna throw my plate out because I don't want any more.
Okay, yeah.
But-
you can just dump it.
No, I mean, if you want more though, you eat more.
Maybe.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave yours.
Yeah. I mean, I'm trying to lose weight here.
Give me a break.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
David Senesak photography. Height, blah, 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 blah. Alright, cool. Now let's see what Flat Earth is doing. Total lunar eclipse. That's why you have no clue what you're talking about. I'm going to use the model that pilots of Earth showing the last total lunar eclipse. Okay, so they're trying to debate the lunar eclipse argument, which is good. It's only happening when the sun and moon are both in a straight line at some precise distance, which is called latitude. Unlike these you have on a globe, you can't, and you call it straight lines. And here I'm talking about total lunar eclipse experience. Don't know how you define or explain a red moon as shadow. That's why you have no clue. What, the red moon is what he's saying? Disproves a lunar eclipse? About total lunar eclipse experience. Yeah, I mean they're having trouble disproving the solar eclipse
Whoa.
or the lunar eclipse.
Interesting.
Don't know how you define or explain a red moon as shadow.
Oh, that's cool. Is that something you just looked up
No, it's just their debate on their
on
server.
their server? Okay.
Yeah, they're doing something over there. Pretty interesting.
That is pretty interesting.
Alright, let's jump into the debate voice channel and see what happens.
Absolutely.
Fuck it, dude. I'm going in. I don't even care.
You might need reconnaissance.
I am gonna die in here.
I hope not. I hope not. That would be terrible.
Oh no. My brain, I'm gonna experience some brain death. It's gonna be horrible.
That's all right. Again, it will hopefully get you fired up to debate more, and with facts, not just name calling
Gosh,
like
the
they
things,
do.
the things I do for views.
Yeah, I know, right? So true. So true.
Alright, where are these monsters?
Back to the game.
I know I saw one scurrying across.
That's so funny.
Zoom in and out with Alt. Okay. I don't want to go down. I'm scared. Okay.
I don't blame you.
I'm scared.
Especially when they jump out.
Oh my god! What the fuck?
What is that?
It's a giant werewolf with an axe. Okay. I have my grenade launcher this time. Alright, you son of a bitch. Oh god! Oh, that's a flash bomb.
Is that what that was?
What the hell? Why doesn't he die?
I don't know.
I've blown him away. Okay.
Do you have something stronger? Weapon-wise?
Pipe bomb.
Okay.
Oh man. Okay. What do I need? What do I do? I missed. He's running away now. Uh-oh, he has to call for backup. Oh my gosh. He just killed his own ally.
It's crazy.
It's a giant freaking enemy. Ah! He's freaking huge. How did I miss? How did he get me? Gosh. He will not die. Okay. He's dead. Uh-oh.
Eat shit.
Wow, that was fun. Yeah, it's been a pretty slow stream actually.
I know. I'm
It's weird.
surprised. Like
Yeah.
sometimes during the peak of the summer when it was really nice outside,
Yeah.
you know, folks weren't real present. Did you stream any other times this past week?
YouTube. Yeah, no, just
This guy just can't stay away from
when
drama.
I
Huh?
stream. I've just been doing it really once a week.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I'm live on YouTube and on Twitch. Weird.
That's,
I mean, it happens sometimes. If
Yeah.
there's no one on. It's cool. It happens.
but it's still fun.
Yeah, I mean, I'm cool. Yeah, we're
This
just
has
playing
been-
games.
Yeah, and doing math.
But at this rate, if the stream's slow, we'll just end it at 9.
Okay.
And then make plans to drive back,
Okay.
and then see about soccer.
Okay.
But what is it? It's 8:22.
Yep.
Yeah, so at this rate, we'll just hang out.
Okay.
And probably get the stream finished by 9. This way, there's no interruptions, actually, because it's a pretty important game. I mean, like, Brazil always kicks our asses.
Yes.
It's Brazil versus Peru. Like, obviously, we're from Peru, so I have to go for Peru. But part of me is like, bro, we don't stand a chance. And the other part of me is like, but what if we win?
That's true.
And I miss it.
That's true.
It would be crazy if we win.
Yes, it would. But how cool would that be?
It would be so cool. So that's why I want to watch it. I want to watch it.
I don't blame you.
I should watch it. I have to support my country.
Your
man.
country, your team.
I gotta do it, dude. No. I don't know. It's gonna be a home game too. They're doing it in Peru.
That's so cool.
Oh, I found the other part of my daughter.
Oh, gross.
They chopped her up into pieces.
That's awful.
What?
You're the real deal, Ethan. Well done.
Quit hiding, asshole. I'm not letting you get out of this.
Cool your jets. Just a little bit more, and you're all wrapped up. I'll lend you a hand. So in exchange,
In exchange, what?
first of all, come to me. Put all the flasks in the altar, and I'm sure you'll figure the rest out. See you, Ethan.
God damn it.
Give me my daughter back, you bastards.
No kidding.
She's just a baby. Is there anything back there? No. Alright, we're going straight. Let's go.
Oh, that's cool. Water.
Yeah, I'm on a boat.
That's so cool.
Yeah, the water looks good in this game. Yeah, the graphics are great.
They are.
Yeah, everything looks good. Oof, so hot.
Are they? You turn the air. You turned the air down or up so I wouldn't be so cold.
No, I didn't. I don't know. It just got hot out of nowhere. I'm not sure.
Did it go off?
I don't know. No, I don't know. I don't know what it is. It's just really hot. Yeah, I don't know. How are you feeling? Are you so cold?
I'm getting warmer,
Okay.
and I have a blanket.
Nice.
So if you need to make it cooler in here, you can.
What the fuck? Where the hell am I? I'm so creeped out.
Why?
This game is creepy, man. Nice. What's in here?
There's no telling.
Yeah, we're gonna go down into these catacombs.
Good.
Can't be good.
Good word.
Whatever is here cannot be good. Photo of a random fish. 21, male, silversmith, scars from pneumonia. Results low affinity, cat out failed to grow, body transformation, drop in cognition, another lichen sent to pasture.
Wow.
Bernadette, 21, female, no occupation, no history of illness, result death. Characteristics: 44, female, noble descendant, not from the village, hereditary blood disease, results very high affinity, no loss of cognition, arbitrarily able to control body transformation, applied cognition control procedures sent for observation. Oh shit. Yeah, so they're doing genetic experiments on people.
Jeez. That is so creepy.
Yeah, on these poor villagers.
It's awful.
Oh. Oh, jeez.
Shoot.
Okay. Nice. Now I have to put all the pieces of my daughter back together.
Oh, that's so gross.
See, that's gross.
And it's sad at the same time. That's horrible.
I know, they cut her up into pieces, man.
Oh. It's awful.
These MFers are nuts, dude.
No kidding. Who the hell does that?
Flat earthers.
Oh, God.
Just
It's
kidding.
my greatest pleasure to see you return alive.
This guy.
Who is that?
He's the merchant. He's the one I buy weapons from.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, so
Naturally.
you're asking where do you get your weapons from?
Yes.
You can buy them from him as well.
Pay me no
Okay,
mind.
so he's like your dealer.
He is like the dealer, yeah.
Okay,
He's pretty cool.
interesting.
Let's see.
Security leaving so soon?
So what is this? W870 TAC 4 grip. Okay, 870? That is not the gun that I'm using.
Naturally.
The 870. 870. Okay. Do I even have
Leaving
that?
so soon?
Oh, I see. Awesome. Okay.
Welcome. Don't let up. Thank you. Now to cook. Here it is. Please, join me. I wouldn't mind having that again.
Oh, I need more fish.
Is that the menu?
Yeah, I have to make food for him, and he'll give
Food
me
is life.
power-ups.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All my power-ups are... I'm as strong as I can possibly be. Increased rate of fire? Maybe. I don't really need that much. I just need firepower, that's it.
You have an eye for quality. Thank you.
Okay. So I gotta put all the pieces in here. Cool, alright. I got all the pieces of my daughter put back together
That's good.
on this altar.
Oh gosh, what happened?
They're all combined in a chalice.
Oh, how freaky.
Interesting. I have to go this way. In here. Guess not. Guess I just go straight.
What's going on?
Yeah. What is this? A bridge forming out of the water.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Don't worry about the kid, Ethan. It'll be fine. Ha! Just get your ass across the bridge. Ah! Ethan Winters. Welcome. I didn't think you'd make it past Daughter Moreau, but I suppose you survived worse back in America, hmm? I like you. I'd like to speak to you about Rose and Miranda. Oh, come on in. Don't worry. It's not a trap.
That's so
What are you
funny.
planning?
It's not a trap.
It's not a trap.
Bullshit.
It's like Hansel and Gretel.
This super suspicious junkyard.
No kidding.
This guy is so suspicious.
And not even one little bit mysterious.
What a jerk. Where is he?
What the hell? Mia?
Truth hurts, don't it? Let me guess. You're thinking, take me out like the others, and then he gets to go and save Rose, right?
I'm healing my daughter.
Look, you got this all wrong. I'm gonna tell you. Shut your fucking hole! Sorry about that. Take a seat. Listen, Ethan, you're being played.
What are you talking about? You think this is a game?
I said sit! Lady, supersized bitch. Ugly ass psycho doll. An moronic freak. Don't you get it? It's a test. To see if you're strong enough to be a part of Miranda's family.
I don't want to be a part of Miranda's family.
Neither did I, but here we are. And I'm next in line, right? Kill me, move up the chain. Well, fuck that!
I don't give a damn about your personal issues. I just want to fix my daughter.
So do I. Do you have any idea how powerful that kid is? Even Miranda's scared of her. Last time, you freak, I swear to God! You and me, Ethan. Together, we can go save Rose, and then we can use her to grind Miranda into paste.
My daughter is not a weapon. Fuck you!
Last chance. You don't have to find out what's in that hole.
I'll take my chances.
You're few.
What? It's a propeller, man.
Oh, shoot. That's shit.
Ooh. Okay, let's get the hell out of here.
That's scary.
It's some weird propeller monster.
A dead end. Damn it! What was that thing?
Okay. Oh shit. It's, I don't know. I don't know, I'm freaked out. Everything's scaring me
It
now.
is. It's very, very different from anything else. And you've got shit jumping out from everywhere.
I'm scared now. Oh man. Alright. Okay. Okay.
This place is messed up.
Yeah, I'm
I gotta get
in
upstairs.
a junkyard.
That's
A
ridiculous.
factory, it says. I'm in a factory.
Okay.
Wow. Oh no. It's the human bodies. This is the factory where they were genetically modifying humans.
Oh, okay. That makes better sense now.
Nice.
Welcome, Ethan.
Very good.
This simple modification can be done in just a moment. Please come again. Naturally. These hands are more dexterous than one might think. Please do take a look at my new stock. And buy it I will. Aha! Aha!
Oh, I'm so strong now.
Have a wonderful adventure.
Wonderful is not the word I would use to describe this.
No. Freaky.
If I were to put myself in the character's shoes.
No, no kidding. That's the truth.
Yeah, you can see the bodies being transferred around.
It's so sick.
There's so many.
Yeah.
They have like chainsaws on their hands or something.
It's crazy.
But yeah. 8:46. I'm thinking about calling the stream here a bit early.
Okay.
It doesn't look like anyone's on tonight, which is cool. But yeah, I'll start wrapping up, especially since this is a save point. It'll be a good time to end the stream actually. So we did a little bit of math today on the stream.
Yes, we did.
We did a little bit of flat Earth circumference and diameter. So yeah, thanks a lot, Zeka, for helping me with all that.
Of course.
It was definitely a lot of math
Oh, it was.
that I haven't done in such a long time. But I'm glad I did it.
It helps. It helps you understand and provide explanation as to why the Earth actually is not flat.
I mean, yeah, it is something that you don't ever have to prove, right? But when you do, I guess you want to be prepared.
Yes.
Some kind of locking mechanism. Oh. Nice. Yeah, but yeah, so I don't know, the Flat Earth guys never joined in either. That's okay. But yeah. I am happy that I was able to research all this. It's like little trivia, but it's trivia that actually makes your brain work.
Very true.
So yeah, I appreciate the exercise, the cognitive exercise in the math part of the brain that I don't use very often. So yeah, I did like that USA Today article about how if the Earth was flat, everyone would be able to see the North Star. Oof. I thought I was gonna quit playing, but this game is really good.
It's addicting.
It's such a good game. I love good games. Oh no. They were doing experiments with people's brains.
Ugh.
Sticking stuff in people's brains.
Disgusting.
These bastards. They're so dastardly. Poor people, man. The poor villagers. Ugh, great game.
It was an excellent game. Very scary. Very suspenseful.
Yeah, it is. It does what horror is supposed to do, scare you.
It scares the shit out of you.
Uh-oh. Who's that? He does not look friendly. Uh-oh. Let me get my shotgun ready. Uh-oh. Who is this guy?
Did he do this too?
He has a drill for an arm. Something tells me he's gonna wake up and hurt me.
Yeah. That's what it seems like.
Uh-oh. Is he gonna follow me out the door? Yes, he is. Oh. I can't shoot as hard because he's blocking.
Doesn't surprise me anymore.
Nice. That was a fun boss fight.
Wow.
Okay. Nice.
What is that?
It is creating something out of molten metal.
Oh, interesting.
A horse. Really.
Seems useful.
Okay, yeah. I'm not sure where I use that, but I'll take it with me. Yeah, I'm trying to go back to the fat guy. I need a
How do you
boss.
get back there?
Yeah, that's a good question. If I can get back to him, I'm not sure. There he is.
If it's just looking, window shop away. This simple modification can be done in just a moment. Please come again.
Okay, for real, I'm gonna end the stream this time. Okay, guys, thanks everyone. If you watch it later, thank you guys for watching. I will wrap the stream up here. I'll be back next Tuesday, 7 p.m. Eastern time. I don't know about this flat Earth thing.
Yeah.
But we'll see. Hopefully we don't have to do that anymore. But I think we did a lot today. But yeah, thanks guys for watching.